I'm going to be showing you how you can add some captions to your videos using Minvo. If you're unfamiliar with Minvo is an AI tool that you can automatically pull moments from your long form videos to create short clips that you can use on sites like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and much more. And how you do that is you just want to click on add video. That's going to take you right here. So when you click on the caption section right here, it's going to come up here where you got the portrait, which is a 9:16, and you can also do it with the landscape, which is 16:9, and AI will reframe the 16:9 video to frame faces, right? So we're going to come back over here to the portrait, and what you want to do is you just click the upload, and there you can take a video from your desktop or laptop and upload it to Minvo. But I've already got one uploaded, and we're just going to jump into that one real quick. So I'm just going to click the video here. Okay, once the video is uploaded, up to the top here, you got the templates where you can just click on here. You got the most recent, and you got the aspect ratio, which is going to be the portrait, landscape, and square. And then you have where you got background music. You can add some background music in your videos. That's pretty tight. And then you got the caption styles. You got different caption styles that you're going to have that you can choose in your video. And then you got the caption animation, which is going to hold the attention of your audience when they're watching your videos, right? So let's take a look at one. Since I already got one loaded up, it's called the benefits of using Messenger bot. And I'm just going to play a little bit this right here just to see how they add the captions in the background music inside of this video. So let's just play that just to see how it's going to look.
Into a little bit about what is a messenger bot anyway. Well, a messenger bot is just a program.
Okay, so that's how it sounds. You heard the background music in the back, and it's already adding the captions and also adding some animation. I think this is very cool right here. I think this will hold the attention of your audience if you're trying to, hold the attention of your audience while you're, you're posting up on social media sites, and so that the algorithm can push out your videos even more because more people are getting engaged with your videos and watching them longer. That's going to help you out right here. It looks pretty cool to me. And so you can come over here also and you can change the background music also. So you can just click on this and let's do 3 right here. Let's just see how that sounds.
That can interact with your visitors on your website or your Facebook business page. And
yeah, so I'm liking that beat right there. That's pretty cool right there. I like that. Let's try number 4 here. Let's see how that's going to sound.
Make it a little tedious repetitive task for you. So it's sort of like an assistant that can work for you.
Okay, so let's look at the caption styles right here. So we seen that first caption style. That's a default right there. Let's look at let's do caption 1 right here. Let's see how that's going to change.
24/7, right? Answering questions, simple questions that.
Okay, almost looks the same. Let me try a different one here. Let's try caption 2. Let's see how that's going to.
People answer all the time.
Okay, you can see the difference right here. So you're looking on time right here, and you can see that background of it is like purple in the background right there. So that is different from the other ones. Let's try number 3. And let's see.
Frequently asked questions.
Yep. So it's definitely changed up. You can see this right here, how the text has changed. Let's try. Let's do number 4. Yep. You can see it changing right there. I'm just going to, let's see if I can just scroll through it to let you see how it looks. Yep. So you see it looks different there. All right. There. And the captions animation. So let's see what that's going to look like. So we click on that. You got default, you got none, then you got the pop. Let's see how pop is going to look. Might look.
A warranty. What's the warranty?
Okay, let's try a different one. Let's try the slide. Let's see how that's going to look. Let's see.
Simple questions that people.
Yeah, so you can see it sliding in. So it's just sliding in, the text sliding in. All right, so if you want your captions to slide in like that, then you just use slide animation. And let's see. Let's go to fade. Let's see how this is going.
People answer all the time. assistant that can work for you 20.
Okay. So there you go. So you even got the captions, animations. You can change the animations on there and just pick the best one that you like, that look the best for your video. And then after you've done with all that, you can go to the transcript. So you can just click on transcript up there. And let's say if you just do some editing or something like that, you can edit your videos over here. You can do an export when you get done editing. You can add in a new short over here if you want to. And let's go over to the right. And this section here is the Minvo AI Writing Assistant. And it can do quite a few things here. Let's say that if you need a metadata for your, let's say if you want a title, if you want a YouTube description. So this AI Writing Assistant can do all that for you. If you got a podcast show notes, and then it can do the chapter timestamps and stuff. You can do social media posts. You can do tweets, articles, and much more. So when you come down here, you can copy it. You can download it right there. You can do show notes. And then you got the promote right here. So you can see all the options they got available for you right here. Then you got find, like find shareable quotes, stuff like that. And you got redefine right here. So you can do like first person tone, more brief, more funny, more engaging, more action, all of that here. And you can even type something out here when you want to do like a custom prompts and stuff like that, and just add in right there. So there you go, guys. So that's how you can add captions with Minvo. Now, there's one thing that I would like to see them add into this. If they could bring in B-rolls, so I can add some other type of videos or images or something like that, that would be excellent, guys. And if you want to take up on this deal right here on AppSumo, they're running it for $59, and that's a lifetime deal right now, guys. That's an awesome price, because if you was using something like this, like Munch or something, you could be paying a monthly fee every month. But you can grab this right now for this a one-time payment of $59. And let's see what you're going to get. Let's scroll down here. So the first tier is $59. You'll get all the above features that's included. This is right here. You got AI moments and the magic edit. All this right here. First party AI processing, auto clip, video shorts from full length videos, upload shorts to just captions and frames. So all of this right here, guys, is what you're going to get here. And these are all the features above. Then you get 2 hours video input minutes per month. You got unlimited moments, and that's exported per month. You got one user, you can get up to 5 gigabytes file upload size, and you got 90 days upload storage. So they're only going to store these for 90 days, then they're going to delete them. Now on the tier 2, that's 119. You get all the features above included. You get 5 hours of video input minutes per month, unlimited moments, you can export per month, 2 users, up to 5 gigabytes, 90 days upload storage. And then on this is tier 3, that's going to cost you $239. That's just a one-time payment. All the above features included, 12 hours. Then you get unlimited moments, 3 users, up to 10 gigabytes of file upload size, and you get to keep videos on there for 180 days, guys. So if you need something like this in your business, where you're uploading TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, or you're doing reels, and you want to add more engagement to it, you want people to engage and stay long on your videos, or have you seen other people videos on these sites like YouTube and stuff, how they add these captions and stuff, and you like that, you need to take a look at this deal right here, guys. And if you like this information, make sure that you like this video, guys, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.